Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm here with a cool and refreshing drink. This is Cucumber Cooler with a touch of mint. You need 1 peeled and diced cucumber for this recipe. Add that into a blender. Add in some mint leaves, half lemon, some raw sugar, salt, and a touch of pepper. Add enough water and blend it. Now into a tall glass, add a lot of ice cubes with a lemon wedge and pour in the strained cucumber juice. Garnish it with some more lemon and cucumber. And there you go, our cool and refreshing cucumber mint cooler is ready. Definitely try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.